TAO is right now at this very interesting area. The chance that we could see a bullish trend continuation is very high. In this video I will talk about TAO and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. TAO is right now on place 41 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2.6 billion. TAO is one of the biggest coins in the AI crypto space and the potential for this project is very high. And if we have a look at the weekly chart, we can see that we are clearly in this bullish trend. We built higher lows all the way and higher highs. And after this latest bullish impulse to the upside, we then saw this retracement to the downside. And right now we are finding some support at this last high right here. And often in the technical analysis, you can see that if we are having a last high right here, that the price comes back to this one and then see a bullish continuation to the upside. And on the weekly time frame, you can see that after this bullish impulse, we retraced to the downside. We came all the way down into this demand zone. And especially we have this order block right here, which was laying under this last high. We then came into the zone and are seeing the first bullish reaction. And if you're also using the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that we are right now between the 0.618 and 0.786 Fibonacci. And the chance that we could see a bullish flip from this zone right here from the Fibonacci is very high. But of course, we are still in this bearish daily structure. We first have to break it to the upside to see even higher prices and a bullish trend continuation. And if you want to trade TAO, you can do this on Bitunix. Bitunix is a non-KYC, no VPN trading platform, and if you're using my link, you get up to $5,500 trading bonus. You'll find the link for Bitunix in the video description. And for the long run, for this bull run, I'm very bullish on this project because the chance that the AI coins will outperform every other altcoin niche is very high this bull cycle, and TAO is one of the biggest projects in this niche. And we also have just a market cap of 2.6 billion, so we have still a lot of potential to the upside. And if we would compare the market cap of TAO right now to the market cap of Polkadot right now, we would then have a price target of $1,400 and a 3x. And if we would compare TAO right now to the market cap of all-time high from Polkadot, we would then have a price target of $8,400 and 21x. And I think this could be a realistic price target for this bull cycle because Polkadot was one of the biggest performing altcoins in the last cycle and TAO is one of the biggest coins in the AI space. And the chance that we could reach this potential prices is very high. So I could imagine that we are hitting a market cap of $40 to $50 billion in the top of this bull cycle. Especially if we have a look at the total crypto market cap of the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can see that we have a lot of potential to the upside to the last high. And the chance that we could see even higher prices for this bull cycle is very high, especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF and the potential Ethereum ETF. The chance is really high that much retailers will come into the market. And I think this cycle we will see even higher prices for the whole market cap. And if just a small percentage flows into TAO, the chance is high that you could see prices like this or even higher ones. So for the long term, I'm very bullish on TAO. And if we are now looking at the 4-hourly chart, you can again see that we are right now at this demand zone. We saw this small bullish reaction. And if we now can continue this bullish cycle, this would be a very bullish sign. But the most important is that we are breaking this last high, because from this high right here, we then saw this move to the downside. We broke this last low, so we made a lower low. And if we are breaking this one right here at $530, then the chance is really high that you can start to continue the bullish trend again on the 4-hourly chart. So this level here is very important. So I think right now is a great chance to get into TAO, but the real bullish confirmation would be this last high. If we are breaking this one to the upside and find acceptance, of course the chance is there that we can see an even higher low and get into the TAO project right here again. Just if we're breaking to the downside, then I would look for another buy position. Then I would have a look at this demand zone, because this demand zone was the start of this bullish push to the upside. It is a confirmed higher low. So if TAO comes back into this region and see a bullish reaction, then I think this is a perfect chance to get into TAO and buy some coins. Just if we are breaking this one to the downside and find acceptance right here, then the chance is high that we could see even lower prices. But as long as we are not breaking this one, the chance is high that we could continue the bullish trend just from this zone or from this zone down here. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like TAO, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think TAO is a great project. We are still in this bullish trend, and right now the chance is there that we could see a trend continuation just from this zone. If we see a price back into this zone, then I would look here to get into potential long trades. And if we would see a bullish reaction from this zone, this would be the bullish confirmation if we are breaking this last high right here over $530 to the upside. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.